Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading Corporation. We're demonstrating this beautiful vertical lift conveyor. Of course, a USDA approved food grade design, side flexing belts. It's about an 18-inch wide belt. The cleats you see are about 10 inches and 3/4. Has a central tracking spine. You can see the phantom marks for it in there, which allows the pulley to travel and pull the belt positively. All stainless steel construction. It does have a drain pan underneath the bottom if you're running wet or semi-wet stuff. All polished finish. Right now, as you see it, it's discharging at about 72 inches as you see it. Of course, you see the wheels are threaded posts so they can come up and down. And of course, as most of you know, you can alter the discharge a little bit to gain a little bit if you're close. This particular one, the peak is about 90 inches as it comes over the top of the drive pulley there. All stainless steel, NEMA 4X drive, of course stainless steel gear reducer. It's running on 230 volt right now, or actually 208. Running through this OptiDrive speed controller, which you see you can just easily change the speed. I don't want to run it too fast. I think they had it running about 30 RPM, 30 hertz. Yeah, and they've disabled the pots so that you can only do it from here. Stop start control, nice and easy. And it does have its disconnect built into it. Portable on wheels. Great for any food application or related sanitary application. We have lots of items in our stock for process and packaging, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today. Hope to see you soon.